Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Broad Spectrum Test Preparation. Today our videos is about algebra. पीपीएससी में जो भी अलजेब्रा से रिलेट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं या एज से रिलेट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो आज की वीडियो में हम ये सब डिस्कस करेंगे। ये मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन हैं जो पीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर हैं वहाँ से लिए हैं एज अ प्रैक्टिस। इनको समझने के बाद आप खुद ब खुद इनसे रिलेट जो भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उनको हल कर लेंगे। चलिए आए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है इफ़ x इज़ इक्वल टू 28 एंड y इज़ इक्वल टू 51 दैन x प्लस 1 x प्लस वाई प्लस इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई विल बी। तो उसको हल करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाला आपका मटेरियल है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे आप। उसके बाद जो बाहर है उनको आपस में जो भी ऑपरेटर है यानी प्लस है माइनस है तो उसको कर देंगे तो आपके पास सिंपल आंसर आ जाएगा। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही आसान और सिंपल सा था। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विद टर्म ब्रैकेट मिड टर्म ब्रैकिंग इज अप्लाइड टू। तो ये यूज़ करते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में। एंड देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इफ़ x इज इक्वल टू 3 देन x पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू, मतलब x की पावर 3 क्या आएगा। तो आपने क्या करना है कि आपके पास x की पावर 3 यानी x3 है तो x की जगह पे 3 रखा तो वो 3 की पावर 3। तो 3 की पावर 3 का मतलब क्या होता है कि 3 को 3 से 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करना, 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 एंड मल्टीप्लाई 3 यानी 3 की पावर, ये एक्सपोनेंट होता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ A father is 9 times as old as his son and the mother is 8 times as old as the son. Sum of father's and mother's age is 51. What is the age of son? First of all, you should have to focus on the statement of question. What is given and then focus what is required and then find the conditions. Which conditions are given in that question? Here we can see 9 times. Let's suppose we have a age of son x. It means father age is 9 times of this and mother age is 8 times of this. These are the conditions of questions. Let's suppose age of son is x and then we take the father age is 9x according to the condition of question as given here, 9 times as his son age. Okay, next one condition is mother age is equal to 8 times of son age. Okay, and then other condition is the sum of father and mother age is 51, mean father, if we add father and mother age then it will become 51. Here it is the second condition of question. Okay, we solve it. Here we have the answer. Here we have the value of x which is exactly the age of son. Then next one is if z has a power of x is equal to 32. What is x power 2? Okay, first we have to find the value of x which is the exponent of z. So we take z has a power of x and 2, we factorize it and 2 has a power of 5. Here the value of x is 5. Then take the power of 2, power of 5 is 2 is equal to 25. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन हो गया सॉल्व। Next question is if the sum of x and y is equal to 6 and sum of y and z is equal to 7 and sum of z and x is equal to 9, then find the average of x and y and z. तो यहाँ पे कंडीशंस देखे क्वेश्चंस की कि मतलब तीन दिए हुए हैं आपके पास, तीन वेरिएबल हैं x, y एंड z, इनके सम का आपने एवरेज लेना है। तो सिंपल तरीका ये है, यू शुड हैव टू add all three numbers, all three values, then we get 2 into x plus y plus z. Mean here we have 2y, 2x and 2z. Then we take the 2 as a common. Then divide and we have the value of x plus y plus z which is equal to 11. Then we have to required average of x, y and z. Here you will divide the sum of x, y, z on 3 because here the value of 3 x, y and z. Okay, this is the average of x, y and z and this is our final answer. Okay, next move to next question. Question number 7. If x power 2 minus y power 2 is equal to 28, okay, and x minus y is equal to 8, then the average of x, y, x and y. Okay, we have a formula in algebra, x minus y into x plus y is equal to x power 2 minus y power 2. That is the formula in algebra. Then we put the value of x minus y as 8 here. Then we get the value of x plus y which is equal to 3.5. Then we take average, x plus y is divided by 2 which is equal to 1.75. Okay, next question is very simple. If x minus 4 is equal to 11, then the value of x minus 8. The simple way to solve this type of question, first of all find the value of x. Then x is equal to 11 plus 4 which is equal to 15. Then put the value of x in this equation, x minus 8. Then we find the value of x minus 8 which is equal to 7. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 9. This question is related to exponent. Here the values or here the power of 7 is given, then solve it. Okay, focus on question. If 7a has a power a is divided by 7 power b is equal to 7 power c and multiply 7 power d. It is the rule in exponential power, when the two numerical values are multiplied then their powers are added, and if two numerical values is divided their powers are means. Okay, here we can write 7 has a power a minus b as 7 is divided and their powers are minus, and here the 7 and 7 are multiplied, their powers will be plus. Okay, 7 has a power c plus d. Okay, here again read the question. We required d which is in term of a, b and c. Then a minus b is equal to c plus d. We need d, so d will remains here and then c will move on left side, and then we have our answer a minus b minus c. Okay, next move. Acha, a pizza is divided into 12 slices which is given 12 slices. If 4 slices are eaten, what fraction is left? Total, here we have to understand what is the condition, what is the given, and what is the required. Total pizza has slice is 12, eaten is 4, and remaining is 8. They ask for the remaining fractions, not for the eaten fractions. Okay, then divide 12 divided by 8, and which is the 2 by 3. And next question is 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. What is the x? Very simple. इसमें क्या करना है आपने, 3x एक साइड पे रहेगा और 8 दूसरी साइड पे जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, और फिर माइनस करने के बाद जो 3 है वो नीचे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो आपके पास इसका आ जाएगा आंसर. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज y is equal to 3x plus 12 and y is equal to 5. What is x? Just simple, put the value of y in this equation, then find the answer as the value of x. And next one is, when a number is added to another number 3 times as large, the result is 16. Find the number. Here focus on the question what is the given. There is two numbers in which one is added to the 3 times of other number. Then we have to get 16. Find the number. Simple. One number is x and other number is 3x. When we add both of them, then we get 16. And we find the value of x. That number is 4. Okay, now move to next question. After 32 years from now, mean to say we are talking about the present. After 32 years from now, a boy will be 5 times as old as he was 8 years back. How old the boy now? Here they talk about the age of a boy. Let's suppose the present age of a boy is x. Then after 32 years, mean if a boy has an age of 5, after 32 years, add the 32 in present age. Okay, तो हमने ऐसा क्या किया है कि इसमें जो प्रेजेंट एज है इसमें 32 को प्लस कर दिया है, एंड देन वी गो 8 ईयर बैक, मीन प्रेजेंट एज से 8 को माइनस कर देंगे तो वो एज आ जाएगी. तो हमारे पास आ गया. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन 32 years forward and 8 years back is the 5 times equal. Then we make the equation of according to the equation. ओके, फिर इस इक्वेशन को सिंपल वे से आपने क्या करना है, इसको सॉल्व कर देना है. 5x minus 40 and x plus 32, which gives the value of x, which is equal to 18. Okay. Okay, this is our last one question. It's your assignment. You can solve it if okay. A price of 2 pens and 3 pencils is 68. The price of 4 pens and 1 pencil is 112. Find the price of a pen. It's so simple. आपने क्या करना है, इसको सॉल्व करके नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है. अगर नहीं समझ आती तो फिर ज़रूर बताइएगा. ठीक है. And thank you very much for watching the video. And if you have any problem relating to math question in PPSC, then you are free to contact. And thank you for watching. Inshallah we will meet in next video. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.